Welcome back to Campus Chronicles, where I, Omisha Soni of Class 9, the anchor of this week's edition of Campus Chronicles, will give you insights of all the happenings in the school campus. To make learning mathematics more engaging and meaningful, an intra-class mathematics quiz was organized, providing students with an opportunity to demonstrate their numerical skill, problem-solving abilities, and quick thinking. The event provided an enriching platform for students to demonstrate their knowledge, presence of mind, and enthusiasm for learning. Independence Day is not merely a celebration, it is a reminder of the sacrifices, values, and responsibilities that define our nation. As we prepare to celebrate the spirit of freedom, the students of Madhav India Public School actively participated in Independence Day activities, expressing their love for the nation in their own unique ways.
Music has the power to touch hearts, express emotions, and bring people together. A melodious voice, when blended with confidence and passion, can create moments to remember. The school recently witnessed a spectacular display of musical talent and enthusiasm at the inter-house solo singing competition, where young singers from different houses showcased their vocal skills.
That question that Samudra Bank and proposed sustainable biodegradable packaging film solution designed especially as an alternative to conventional plastic packaging film. But now the question arises, how can we do it? Yeah, the process.
पूरे वंश का भाग्य बन जाएगा. To nurture the art of graceful expression, confident communication, and effective public speaking among the students, the school organized an inter-house Swagat Kathan competition.
Enough
The
themselves
participants
to
presented
establish
innovative
this
ideas
plant.
with confidence,
We'll go for
demonstrating
Zynos.
creativity,
We'll go to buy products from
skills,
Zynos.
and the ability to think like young
Your
entrepreneurs.
slide says your presentation.
Participants
आज
enacted
मेरी जिंदगी
and
का सबसे
presented
बड़ा
their
फैसला
thoughts with confidence,
मेरी अपनी
clarity,
आत्मा मुझे
and
सुना रही है।
eloquence, reflecting their communication skills
हाँ,
and creativity.
हाँ हूँ मैं अपना
Effective communication, confidence, and the ability to think spontaneously are essential skills for every learner. Keeping these skills in focus, an inter-house just-a-minute competition was organized. Words are building blocks of language and spelling forms the foundation of effective communication. To enhance vocabulary, the school organized an inter-house spell-o-fun competition. The participants showcased their presence of mind, creativity, fluency, and impressive speaking skills, making the competition both engaging and enriching. Students participated with great enthusiasm, confidence, and a healthy competitive spirit, putting their language skills and presence of mind to the test.
Science encourages young minds to observe, question, explore, and discover, with the aim of fostering curiosity and developing scientific thinking among the young learners. The school organized an intra-class science quiz for the students of classes 1 and 2.
Of India.
With confidence and conviction, the students shared their thoughts on the significance of Independence Day.
On the occasion of
The
Independence
inspiring
Day,
words
I extend
reminded
heartfelt
us that freedom
congratulations to
comes with
everyone
responsibility
present here
and the duty to
celebrate
contribute
this glorious
towards
celebration.
a better India.
15th August होली का प्रतीक है.
The spirit of
15
patriotism
अगस्त हमारा
finds a beautiful
स्वतंत्रता
voice
दिवस.
when expressed
क्या
through
आपने कभी
heartfelt
कल्पना
words.
की है
The
कि
speech
यदि हमें
given by the
अपने
student
विचारों को व्यक्त
reflected
करने की
patriotism,
स्वतंत्रता ना होती,
responsibility,
अपने
and the
सपने
spirit of
देखने
being
की आजादी
proud
ना होती,
citizens of
तो
India.
भारत का भविष्य
The celebration
याद
was
करते
further
हैं
enriched by the inspiring
उन
words
वीर
of
योद्धाओं
our
को,
respected manager
उन
sir.
सेनानियों
His
को,
thoughtful message
freedom fighters
encouraged
को,
everyone to
जिन्होंने
value the freedom they
200 साल
enjoy
की
and
गुलामी
to
के
work
बाद
together
अंग्रेजों से
towards
लड़ाई
a
के बाद
stronger and
हमें
brighter
15
nation.
अगस्त 1947
Independence Day is a celebration of the courage that shaped our history and the dreams that will shape our tomorrow. The day was celebrated with immense enthusiasm and pride, patriotic fervor. The spirit of freedom came alive through the graceful moves and energetic performance of our talented students. Their dance beautifully reflected the pride, unity, and patriotic spirit of our nation. From captivating performances to inspiring speeches, every moment reflected the spirit of freedom and our deep love for the nation. The spirit of freedom came alive through the beautiful voices and energetic performances of our students. The students shared their patriotic feeling through beautiful moves and energetic performance.